Demystifying phrasal verbs, preserving tone and style. Hello, everyone. Today, we're delving deeper into the fascinating world of English phrasal verbs. More specifically, we're going to talk about how to replace phrasal verbs with single-word verbs, while maintaining the original meaning and tone of your sentence. This can be a tricky subject, but don't worry, we're going to walk through it step by step. Before we get into replacing them, let's quickly recap what phrasal verbs are. A phrasal verb is a verb that's combined with an adverb or a preposition. Examples include give up, break down, run into, or show up. While they're very common in English, they can be challenging for learners due to their idiomatic nature. That's why replacing them with single-word verbs can often simplify and clarify your sentences. When we're replacing a phrasal verb with a single-word verb, the first thing we need to ensure is that the meaning stays the same. For example, the phrasal verb give up can be replaced with quit or surrender. So, I gave up smoking becomes I quit smoking. Sounds simple, right? But be careful, as not all phrasal verbs have a direct single-word equivalent. Now, let's get to the meat of our topic: maintaining tone and style. Phrasal verbs often have a more casual or informal tone than their single-word counterparts. For instance, put off is less formal than postpone. Therefore, when replacing phrasal verbs, you need to consider the tone and style of your sentence. If you're writing an academic paper, postpone might be more appropriate. But if you're texting a friend, put off could sound more natural. Now let's look at some examples. Example 1. She broke up with him versus she separated from him. Example 2. He turned down the offer versus he rejected the offer. Example 3. I came across this book in the library versus I found this book in the library. As you can see, the single-word verbs convey the same meaning but have a slightly more formal tone. And there we have it. Replacing phrasal verbs with single-word verbs can be a useful technique for English learners, as it helps to vary your language use and can make your sentences clearer and more precise. However, it's important to be mindful of the original tone and style of your sentence. We hope you found this video helpful and are feeling more confident about tackling phrasal verbs in English. Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it in no time.